Hello and welcome back to the Dyslexic Angler. Today Jack's brought me out in his boat. It's about 5:30 in the morning. We've gone and picked up some fresh mackerel. So we've got some fresh mackerel there. I've got a rod out already with a whole mackerel on it. Jack's got a rod out. So we're just trying here quickly, but the tide's running a bit. But I'll keep you updated. Hopefully there'll be some fish to show today. But a big tides and there's a strong tide run. So, but hopefully have a good day. So I'll get back to you with some fish hopefully. Fish on. I think it would be a conger.
Yeah?
No, it's tope. Is that tope? I think it's just come off.
Is it? No.
Oh no, it's still there. Oh no. Oh, I've got a baby tope. There you go, baby tope.
Right. Need to get that open out there. I've got a bar here somewhere.
Get back to you. There we go. My first ever tope.
Come on, put him back.
Put him back quickly. There you are. I think we might have one on the other one as well. Alright, we are playing for a good move, eh? Keep him for better day. Alright, we're gonna have a move, so I'll get back to you with another fish. So we've just moved spots again, and we didn't have nothing at the other spot. Got the rods back out. We just got the tope rods out now this time. Tide's still rushing through, but hopefully not long until it slows down. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. So we've moved spots now. I've got the mackerel over the back there, and just there I've got a frozen hardback out for a hound. So but we're fishing in 50 foot of water, so it's pretty deep. But the tide is really running at the moment, so because they're big tides. But I'll get back to you in a minute if we get a fish or we're going to move spot. So I had some mackerel feathers going on over the back. We see a big slam takedown, and that's how the mackerel's come in. Sank has bit it in half. So hopefully we catch That's a big fish, that is, by the look of it though. Because that is a clean straight in half bite. So hopefully we get it wherever it is. So not much happening here. This, last fish we had was that mackerel that got bit in half by Sank. We're just letting the tide die off a bit, and then we're going to go and drift from sandbanks for some bass. So but I'll get back to you if I get anything from here, but if not, I'll show you when we're drifting the sandbanks for the bass. Now the tide's slowed down, fish are starting to show. Little baby tope. So that's a little baby tope for Jack. I've got a fish on. Another tope. Get it out quick, mate. They're biting, not good weather, so small, ain't it? Yeah. Just getting the hook out of it quick. There we go, another tope. It's only a little one again, but better than nothing. Just going to get a picture with this one quickly because I didn't get a picture with the other one. So one last look at it quick. Let's get it back in the water. Didn't even know that one was on there. So, but it's starting to look like the fish is picking up now. So hopefully there'll be some more to show. Jack's on again. Another baby tope. There's old bird. I'm just going to put a bit of squid on the other rig and I'll get back to you when there's another fish to show. Got a tope on, people. Better one. Oh no, it's only a small one again. Another tope. Got a T-bar. I ain't. There you go, another one. Look at the teeth on it. So, let's get back before he bites me. Another tope. So Jack had a better bite. Weird dragon. dragging. Give him a slack line. Feel better? Huh?
Fucking weird's that? I've got to put another phone down, bro. Sorry.
Yeah, Jack's got a decent one. Looks like a decent size. That is a decent size. You said you were getting him. Yeah. I'll get back to you once we get it a bit higher. So unfortunately, Jack, that fish snapped off. Whatever it was big. But we ain't giving up. That's twice we've lost it now. So we're gonna get it up either way. So but I'll get back to you. I've got the tope rod back out the back, so I may even get it on that rod, but if we get it on that rod we're gonna have to cut it off because it's too flimsy. But hopefully Jack can get it back. So we just moved spots, we're just coming a bit closer now because it's got a bit choppy out there. So we're just gonna try for some eels. I've had a little bite already, so it's looking good. But I'll keep you updated. So we're back in the marina now. The wind's picked up. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera. But yeah, it's all good. Had some good fish. At that place, the eel place, I had 2 dogfish there, but they weren't well showing. So, but yeah, till next time, that's me done. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And see more content. But I'm hoping this content's going to come out alright because I'm using a new GoPro. So, but yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Until the next one, see you later on.